In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font color of typewriter text in Foxit. This process is a straightforward way to add a personal touch or highlight important bits of text in your PDF documents. It's a handy tool for anyone wanting to make their digital notes or documents a bit more dynamic and visually engaging. First, let's get started by heading over to the Comment tab or, alternatively, the Home tab in the Foxit PDF editor. From either of these tabs, you'll want to select the Typewriter tool. This tool is essential as it allows you to freely type anywhere on your PDF document, much like using a real typewriter. Once you've got the Typewriter tool selected, it's time to click on the page where you want your text to appear. As you do this, you should notice the Format panel popping up on the right side of your screen. This panel is the command center where you can customize and manage your text's appearance. Next, draw your attention to the Format panel. Here, you'll see a variety of customization options, but for our task today, you'll want to locate the color square or button. By clicking on this, a color palette will open up, presenting you with a spectrum of choices. This is your opportunity to get creative, so take a moment to think about the color that best suits your purpose. Whether you're after a bold, attention-grabbing red, a calming blue, or any other shade that fits your needs, this palette will have you covered. After you've decided on a color, simply click it and watch as your typewriter text adopts this new hue. This change is not only immediate, but also easily adjustable. If you ever feel like switching things up, you can always revisit the Format panel and pick a different color, and that's all there is to it. Changing the font color of your typewriter text in Foxit is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your PDF documents. This feature is particularly useful for teachers, students, or professionals who need to differentiate between various sections or highlight specific information. It can also be a fun way to personalize your documents and make them stand out. Remember, experimenting with your text colors can greatly enhance the readability and appeal of your PDF files, turning plain documents into polished pieces of digital art. Whether you're preparing a presentation or just taking notes, these colorful touches make a big difference. So go ahead, open Foxit, and give it a try. Once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without these vibrant text options. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Keep experimenting and enjoy the added flair a touch of color can bring to your PDFs.